back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD, and to my left, I almost forgot what side this was, is my beautiful, smart, and talented daughter, Haley. And if you guys see her in my video, you know what that means, right? Ipsy versus Ipsy. Mother versus daughter.
Dun dun dun!
Woo! If you guys are interested to see what we received in our
Ipsy bags.
for July.
It's already July.
It's flipping
We're
July.
halfway through 2018.
That's insane. But if you're interested to see what we received in our July Ipsy bags, then let's get started. We zoomed you guys out because we were just really up close and personal. So if you guys don't know what Ipsy is, it is a subscription service that is $10 a month and mailed directly to your house. It is supposed to go off of your profile. It gives you a bunch of different, questions anywhere from your eye color, hair color, skin type,
hair type.
Yes, all of that. I really love your highlight.
Thanks.
I don't know if you guys can see her highlight, but it is smoking. That's so pretty. I really like it. But anyways, I have normal to combination, a little bit of a oily T-zone. Haley has completely different skin tone.
Dry to sometimes combination.
Yeah. So it's always really interesting to see what I get versus what she gets. By the way,
same thing or if we got different things.
yes. And by the way, if you guys are curious about my nail polish, because I know y'all have been asking for me to mention my nail polish, this is the KL polish line. I believe it's called Porter Miami or something. I will try and remember to link it down below for you guys directly to the KL polish site. So let's go ahead and finally get started.
Okay, so the first thing that I got was actually in the little bubble mailer. I got 2 of these, and so I just got 2 of these sheet masks and energizing and nourishing.
Yeah, caffeine rush nourishing sheet masks. Nice. I love sheet masks, guys. Love them. This, by the way, this is what the bag looks like for this one.
Super mermaidy.
It is very mermaid, which is kind of funny because I would think with it being July, it would be more patriotic.
I know, I want to know the theme.
Oh my goodness. I will say the zipper is pretty cute.
Pool ready makeup bag.
Oh, okay. So the first item I received, holy flippin' moly!
What?
I just hit the Ipsy
concealer?
jackpot. It's Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer.
I'm jealous.
Ipsy!
Oh, it does literally like a full size.
And I just opened it, but I had to. Oh, it's pretty,
my color.
Oh, it blends out nicely. Ooh, Ipsy! I'm excited. I've never tried Smashbox Concealer. Have you all tried it before? It's 24-hour wear. Not that I wear my makeup that long. Okay.
It's waterproof too.
I'm so excited.
So the first thing I'm seeing in my little bag is this Oprah Cosmetics eyeshadow.
It's huge.
Oh, it doesn't have the color. Oh, I thought it'd be on there. It's just, it doesn't have a name on the back or anything. It's really dark. I'll swatch it for you. Yeah, it's like a black shadow with shimmers.
It doesn't swatch as well as I
Yeah,
would think.
it's very dry.
It's very dry.
Not great.
Huh. That's odd because I always think Oprah stuff is pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so my next item is dun dun dun, coconut oil coffee sugar body scrub. Not mad about it. Okay.
Sounds fun.
I mean, and it's, the nice deluxe size versus like when you get Sephora Play and it's like the itty bitty little teeny tiny.
Like you can have 1/2 of a use.
Yes. Yeah, like you can exfoliate your cheek, but this is a nice size, so I'm happy with that. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Oh, I'm getting excited for you.
I don't know what this is, but I have to wait. The next thing that I pulled out of here is this Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Green Light eyeliner. Go ahead and swatch this.
Oh my gosh, it looks so nice and creamy.
Yeah, it's pretty creamy, and it's like...
That is pretty.
Green?
Yes.
It looks great to me.
Does it?
Yeah.
Haley's colorblind, you guys. Yeah. That's what I think is so amazing, is like she can do these really cool, intricate, like works of art with her makeup, but yet she's colorblind, so I think it's really cool. So the next item, holy jeez Louise!
You're just getting all the good sample size. Jeez, Mom.
Dude, I think you guys at
Yeah,
Ulta.
like TJ Maxx and stuff too.
This is awesome. This is the lotion by Hims, Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon.
Oh my god, I want to smell it.
I do too, right? Let's do it. Ooh, that I want to eat. And if I want to eat it, you know it smells good.
Like pineapples, like fresh pineapple.
Yes, freshly cut pineapple. Heck to the yes, Ipsy. Okay.
Yeah. Okie dokie. So the next thing I got is this Z Skin Spot Treatment.
Wow.
It says it's organic skincare. It's a little 10 milliliter sample. It says after washing face, gently apply to breakouts to help with fast healing and prevention of dark marks and scars.
That's good. I could be using that. Like 2 weeks ago, I had like major breakouts. Okay, so the next item I got is by Beauty For Real, and it is an eyeliner, 24/7 eyeliner in the shade Whiskey, which I'm assuming by the name is probably like a coffee brown type of dark, maybe with a shimmer. Let's just get into it. Okay, so let's see if I was correct. Yes, it is a nice brown shade, and it seems to be smooth and creamy. Oh, and if you look really close, there's a little bit of sparkle in there.
Like a slight shimmer.
I'm okay with this. I mean, it's nice because it's something different. Typically, they only send like black, so I'm happy to get this.
Okie dokie. The last thing I have in my bag is this lipstick from Mellow in the color
Full size.
Candy Floss.
Did you guys see my video with Just Dan? Because that was my shade in 6th grade.
It's really cute that Mellow's like etched into it, but I would not wear this color. It would make my teeth look extremely yellow.
It's like throwback of my 6th grade year. Yeah. Okay, so my last item I got is Steve Laurent. Steve something. See? Ooh.
Isn't that
I feel like it's high-end.
Yeah, I was going to say, isn't that like the same guy as like YSL or something like that?
Oh, it's kind of...
Oh, the pan.
The pan's only partially glued. Let's see if we can shove it back in here. That's the color. I swatched. We're going to swatch it.
I would have swatched
really
this, but I'm not going to wear it, so I'd rather give it to someone who will.
Yeah, I kind of feel like, I don't know. Well, will that show up on me? Maybe in the
I don't know. I don't wear blush, so I don't really know.
Really?
About it, yeah. I'm naturally red. I don't need to add anymore. Especially when it's sunburnt.
It's really light, but we'll play around with it. We'll see. I'm not mad about it. Let me know. What do you think about your bag?
I think that my bag definitely lost. Sheet masks, these are cool. I don't really have acne, so like I have some breakouts, but I use the Mario Badescu drying lotion. This is extremely dark. I was able to rub it right off my hand, so it's not even there anymore. I don't really wear dark eyeshadow, and it wasn't super like...
It wasn't pigmented.
It wasn't really... It was kind of pigmented, but not good for what you'd think Oprah would be, and like it's black, but it's really super like chalky. It's not smooth and creamy at all. That
was a good way to describe it.
Eyeliner is apparently it's green. It's called Green Light, but I think it looks gray to me. So, anyways, it's like a really nice formula. It's pretty creamy. Just the only thing is I'm scared I might accidentally use this instead of like a gray eyeliner. And then this lipstick, it's really awesome that I got a full-size lipstick, but it's in the color Candy Floss, and again, this is very bright. I would not personally wear this, so I will be sure that ends up with someone who will.
Now, my thoughts on my bag, I think they did amazing. Like, Thank you, Ipsy. I am happy with everything. I honestly wouldn't even change anything. Like, if I had to change something, I would probably swap out our pencils, and then this exfoliating thing, I would have given myself the sheet masks. But even though, I mean, even still, I love everything that I got. So
I'm so jealous that she got a full-size concealer.
I'm like shocked. I'm shocked. So anyways, I am super happy with my July bag. It's about flipping time because I felt like she was winning again. What is this? What is it? Like every 6 months, 3-4 months, I get a decent bag?
Yeah, I typically win.
Yeah, she always wins. Yeah. There goes that flipping Kona man. Okay, so that's all all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more content. I do upload 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, and I do throw up some bonus videos in there, sometimes on the weekends, sometimes through the week. But they're just surprises, so you guys never know about them. But anyways, until next time, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.